Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a React.js timeline-based video editor directly in the browser using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So we are actually executing it directly in the local host. So just to show you the demo. So it actually is a single page application directly running in the browser. So this is actually the full directory structure of this React video timeline editor. It's every file is customizable. So for the source code, you can directly purchase it. I have given the link in the description of the video. So it's actually using the FFmpeg WebAssembly library. It's also using HTML to canvas, and also it is using the latest version of React. So now let me show you the demo of the video editor. You simply select whatever video file you want to edit, and now here you can apply the zoom level and text overlay. So right here you also have get the sliders to actually trim out the specific portion of the video. So it's a fully fledged timeline based editor. So right here, wherever you need to add the zoom level, you simply click, and right here you can delete the zoom level as well. So right here you can adjust the position of the zoom. Wherever you need to adjust the zoom, you can easily do this. So now let's suppose I want to zoom right here. You can also adjust the zoom level as well right here. So it looks something like this. You can just see here a professional looking zoom level feature. So you can even apply multiple zoom levels. So now let's suppose at this moment of time I need to apply another zoom level. You can adjust the position here. From here you can adjust the duration. So now what happens, if you see, we have multiple zoom levels appearing right here. So in the videos you have seen this zoom levels applied, and similarly we also have the option to apply text overlays. You simply click add text, and here you can enter your watermark, company name, and can adjust the size here, everything, background color, text color, everything is customizable. And here you can adjust the position, and it's very simple. So you can also control the duration of this, so it will appear at 8 to 11. So just see, the output video will look something like this. So you can adjust the starting and the ending duration. So then after you are done, you can simply click the export video button. As soon as you click this, the FFmpeg WebAssembly will start processing your video. You can also have the export settings. We can adjust the quality of the video as well from here. We can adjust the preset, everything, export as MP4. So now the processing will start. FFmpeg will start encoding your videos frame by frame. And once it completes, it will automatically download the output video. So if you're interested in this project, guys, it will save you a lot of time because I built this editor from scratch. You will get to know about the FFmpeg WebAssembly library, how it works directly in the browser. So the link is given. You can directly purchase the full source code. So it actually is a single page application. So it doesn't have a backend. So it's very easy for you to deploy this application as well. So as we are running it locally, it's also very easy for you to simply deploy this by building out this project. And at any point of time, you can add additional features as well. It's fully customizable. Each file is coded inside TypeScript, as you can just see here. So the processing will take some time because as you know that video encoding does take some time because we have applied those zoom filters and text overlays. So you just need to wait for some time as the video is simply encoding frame by frame. So once it reaches 100%, it will start automatically download the output video. So you can just see here. So I'm just showing you the full process here so that you can trust on this, that this is a real application. It is not a fake application. So it fully runs directly in the browser. So so now you can see automatically the video is successfully downloaded. So automatically all the zoom levels, the text is also applied here, as you can see. The zoom levels are also applied. So the link is given, guys. You can directly purchase the project.